Your kitchen, your way.
Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen, Your Way. Today we're gonna make turkey meatballs. I'm gonna show you how I make it. Let's get to it. So here are my ingredients. I have chicken stock, Italian breadcrumbs, grated onion, grated garlic, egg, salt and pepper. You can add Parmesan cheese if you like, but I chose not to. And here is my ground turkey. It's 85/15. In this bowl, I'm going to add my ingredients. I'm going to start with adding the egg. Then I'll add my breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs, and grated onions, grated garlic. Here is some chicken stock to keep everything moist, and some salt and pepper. I'm going to give all of this a good mix and make sure everything is well combined. I like to add everything before I throw the meat in there so I don't overmix the meat and make it dry out. Once everything is well mixed, I'm going to throw my meat in there. And I'm going to give this also a good mix with my hand. Be careful of overmixing because that could cause the meat to dry out. Once everything is well combined, I'm going to go in with my ice cream scooper that I have dipped in water. I use the ice cream scooper so everything comes out the same size and cooked together evenly. And then I have my hands, which are always wet, so it doesn't stick too much to my hands. Once everything is all done, I'm going to throw these in my air fryer. You can cook these however you like. You can cook them in oil, but I chose to make them in the air fryer that I have. And then I'm going to spray them with some cooking oil. And here, this is what I have when I'm all done. They are delicious, guys. You should give them a try. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys try it. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more.